Welcome back to my another video. Here I have one small setup which is created in Windows application C Sharp Windows form application. Just this is one single form, and we have here a backup of database which is LocalDB. Also activation and connection string for with the LocalDB. You can work on it just like using as notepad, or you can say just keeping a notes or task here. Scratch like new record, you can say my C sharp code is for form 2. Here is code, and long text you can copy paste from anywhere, or you can type it just to keep reminder, like copying this and save it. You can change font by selecting all like this, or you can change color. Okay, and increase and decrease fonts, also give bullet points, then save it. Search, you have this 1 2 3 4. Again I'm adding the reminder for today. Send email to XYZ person at 4. I'm marking as this is task. Save it. Search, if I want to search like emails related, email, type email, click search. Is task, sorry, search email. Maybe typo mistake from my side. uh, Email in title must be in short detail. Search email, update email. Okay, also if I click search, MySQL, I can find it. Also new record again, test task 24 for MS SQL, or task to complete all tables, mark as task, save, search, and you can see info detail, ID, and info completed or not, created date, when you created. And you can export this data, just copy and paste, as well as you can edit on double click. You can edit it, edited record, update. And if you want to filter just task, here is task, and task 2 completed, mark as complete, update. If you want to delete, then check all, delete completed one means show completed. Here you can select and delete record, yes. Search, similar to that you have an backup option to backup database successfully. Also restore, yes, restore successfully. And these need to install. I'm going to place this in Google Drive. Will provide you this software setup file plus LocalDB installation setup file, or you can use this link. Just open SQL Server Express Edition, download media, and select these LocalDB 60 MB. If you click download successfully, open folder, or run this application. Next, I accept. Next, you can install it. I already installed, but okay, so you can use this LocalDB as well as software. This link in description to download this setup and use it. Give your feedback, if anything, to create more good.